6번. 대화를 듣고 여자가 지불할 금액을 고르시오.
Honey, what are you doing on the internet?
I'm shopping for a cotton candy machine for Jason's birthday party.
That's a good idea. Jason will love it.
Sure. I'm having difficulty choosing between these two options, though. One is $50 and the other is $70.
I think the $70 one will be better. Look, it has better reviews.
I agree. I'll go for it.
Don't we need packs of sugar powder for the cotton candy too?
You're right. Let's buy some. How about these? They're $5 per pack.
Good. Hang on. If we buy 3 packs, we can get $3 off the total price.
Great. Let's get 3 packs then. I'll place the order now.
Go ahead.